Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my channel Smart Collections Plus. How are you all? I hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today I will show you beautiful Muslim girls modern dress with hijab style. In this video you can see hijab dress designs, Muslim dress and trendy hijab style. Hijab outfits for girls, Muslim girls long Arabic dress designs. I hope you like this video and these collections. I will be glad if you appreciate my video by liking and sharing. Subscribe my channel for new updates and press the bell icon to get notification when I upload new video. Viewers, let's enjoy this video.